My name is Rosa Ramirez. I'm from Mexico. I'm living in Indianapolis, Indiana, USA for 21 years. And I'm my point here in Pakistan is come from engagement with Isas Khan, my husband now. My name is now is Aisha Bibi, and I'm here for 1 month. And there's one incident about my phone, but now I'm very, very, very happy. They guys show me too much for, maybe it's not very important one phone, but everybody show me how it's important that be honest in this country. I'm very happy because these phones is damage each life that grows in women. And here, everybody working too much in this. This is good, and how you working in each one, in each people, always keeping this innocent, this life, and this respect for each one. I know how it works. My heart is very full, fearful, lovely, and absolutely it's in the top for me.
Thank you very much.
خیبر پختونخوا پولیس زنده‌باد زنده‌باد ہم سب کی خیر خواہ پولیس زنده‌باد زنده‌باد خیبر